Hey everyone, welcome to the Search Labs. In this video, I'm going to be giving you the complete guide to Jounce AI for content creators. Jounce AI is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to help you generate content ideas. It can be used by bloggers, social media influencers, and business owners to come up with fresh, engaging content that resonates with their audience. Jounce AI is a cloud-based tool that uses a large language model to generate content ideas. The language model is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, which allows it to understand the nuances of human language and generate creative and original content. When you use Jounce AI, you first need to create an account. Once you have an account, you can start generating content ideas by entering a keyword or phrase into the search bar. Jounce AI will then return a list of related content ideas. The content ideas are generated by the language model, which analyzes the keyword or phrase and then generates a list of related words and phrases. The language model also considers the context of the keyword or phrase, such as the topic and the tone. There are many benefits to using Jounce AI for content creators, including save time. Jounce AI can help you save time by generating content ideas for you. This can be especially helpful if you're short on time or if you're not sure where to start with your content marketing. Boost creativity. Jounce AI can help you boost your creativity by providing you with new ideas that you may not have thought of on your own. This can be helpful if you're feeling stuck or if you're looking for new ways to approach your content marketing. Produce high-quality content. Jounce AI can help you produce high-quality content by providing you with well-written and original content ideas. This can help you improve your website traffic, boost your social media engagement, and increase your lead generation. Target your audience. Jounce AI can help you target your audience by providing you with content ideas that are relevant to their interests. This can help you improve your click-through rate and conversion rate. Track your results. Jounce AI can help you track your results by providing you with analytics on the performance of your content. This can help you improve your content marketing strategy over time. To use Jounce AI effectively for content creators, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. Set goals. Before you start using Jounce AI, it's important to set goals for your content marketing strategy. What do you want to achieve with your content? Do you want to increase website traffic, boost social media engagement, or generate leads? Choose the right keywords. When you enter a keyword or phrase into Jounce AI, it's important to choose the right keywords. The keywords should be relevant to your audience and your goals. Use the templates. Jounce AI has a variety of templates that you can use to generate content ideas. Choose the templates that are most relevant to your goals. Experiment with the settings. Jounce AI allows you to customize the output of your content ideas. Experiment with the different settings to find what works best for you. Review and edit the output. The output of Jounce AI is not perfect, so you'll need to review and edit it before you publish it. This will help ensure that your content is accurate, original, and engaging. Use Jounce AI in conjunction with other tools. Jounce AI is a great tool, but it's not the only tool you need to create great content. You'll also need to use other tools, such as keyword research tools and content marketing platforms. Jounce AI is trained on a larger dataset of text and code, which allows it to generate more creative and original content. ChatGPT is trained on a dataset of text and code, but it is not as large as the dataset that Jounce AI is trained on. This means that Jounce AI has a wider range of knowledge and can generate more creative and original content. Jounce AI is better at understanding the context of a keyword or phrase. ChatGPT can understand the context of a keyword or phrase, but it is not as good as Jounce AI. This means that Jounce AI is better at generating content that is relevant to the topic and tone of the keyword or phrase. Jounce AI is more accurate and reliable. ChatGPT is accurate and reliable, but Jounce AI is more so. This is because Jounce AI is trained on a larger dataset of text and code, and it is better at understanding the context of a keyword or phrase. Jounce AI is more customizable. ChatGPT is customizable, but Jounce AI is more so. This is because Jounce AI allows you to customize the output of your content ideas. You can choose the length, tone, and style of your content ideas. Jounce AI is a powerful tool that can help you improve your content marketing strategy. However, it's important to use it effectively to get the most out of it. By following the tips in this video, you can use Jounce AI to generate high-quality content that will resonate with your audience and help you achieve your goals. If you're interested in learning more about Jounce AI, I encourage you to visit their website. You can also sign up for their free trial to test out the tool for yourself. That's all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't hesitate to subscribe for more valuable contents.